Hello and welcome. I am Mr. Seth. Do you know that it is security recommendation that we must change default password and username after buying MiFi or Wi-Fi and WorkerNets? This is how to do it. You don't need to type or to go on browser to write a IP address, no? Just go on Play Store. First search this application. This application is gonna help us. IGT network. Then for me I already have it. Then open it. Scroll down to router login page. Here, router login find. Click on it. Scroll down to button. Open router login page. Click on it. Automatically, your phone will detect your IP address instead of writing everything. So, this is how. Then, in right corner, get the word login. Login. Let me try to zoom here. Login. Wow. Click on login. Then enter admin. But make sure you have already connected on that Wi-Fi, WorkerNet or MiFi. Then, as you see here, we have section for password and username, Wi-Fi username. So let me change this default to mine. Let me say, let me put this name, Mr. Seth Internet. That is the example name. Then new password here. Remember, you will not able to access this page if you are not connected on that new Wi-Fi or MiFi or WorkerNet. Just first connect on it, then download that application and use that login option. So as you see here, already that is password I want to use. You must use a strong password. Then here they are telling us that we shall be disconnected from this Wi-Fi. Then it's fine. Click OK. As you see, all device connected will be disconnected. Then click yes here. As you see, already Wi-Fi is disconnected. So go back to login again. Here on Wi-Fi, you can first turn it off or like this. Then white. So as you see, network is no longer MTN what and what is on my own name, username. You see, Mr. Seth Internet. So put that password, enter password, getting IP address, connected. As you see, we are connected not on default network but on our customization. So you can go on YouTube, search for IGT Tech College, click here on view channel. As you see, we have too many videos, 310 video. You can learn more things here. As you see, let me try to show you our videos, especially for technicians, software, hardware, smartphone, feature phones, and more. Also with IT skills. Just visit this YouTube channel, click subscription, and after subscribing there, click on notification bell so you will be notified when new video uploaded. As you see, we have too many courses in English or in mixed language, like 3 languages. Just choose which language you want to listen. That is how. Too many videos. That's okay.